So this is the standard.
Standard double, I guess.
On Port Orleans, French Quarters. But it's beautiful. Look at this.
Just got in.
Details.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Look at this. I love the color.
Plenty of drawers.
Love the color. I guess this is the fridge.
Must be.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Beverage cooler. 41 degrees.
Keep items cool.
Really nice.
Coffee machine.
The way that they hide it is so nice. Coffee machine. Storage. Then we have a double sink.
A double sink.
The mess can be separate.
Yes, mine will be more messy.
Look how cute. I wonder if it's milkshake. Let's see. Oh, it's not, but it has a Disney logo.
Yeah.
And a body lotion. How nice.
Schedule for housekeeping.
Nice.
Little mirror on the side. Look, there's so many of me. I'm right here and I'm right here.
What is this? Extra blankets, a safe, some hangers, and in here we have an iron board.
Nice.
A hair dryer, a steamer, which
Very
is
nice.
really good.
And
A little
like
bin. This must be for kids and to help kids brush their teeth and etc. This is a really nice touch actually. The tiles on the floor. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Shower bath with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
Yeah, nice.
Look at these tiles. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then we have like some pictures of Tiana. Let's see with the door closed. Look at this.
Yes, there we go. Nice look.
Beautiful door.
Patterning.
I feel like I could have this room. Like I love the colors and the patterns.
It has the phone and the little tablet.
Yeah, and on the side of the bed has like reading lights. So if you want to read.
Nice little sofa.
Yeah.
Seat. And again with some more nice pictures.
Nice pictures. I guess this is the aircon also hidden.
Must
so
be.
Everything looks like.
And we are on the ground floor of building 4. So we don't need to climb flights of stairs at the end of the day. And
that's the entrance.
That's the entrance. And the buses is like just beyond these trees here.
So it's so well located.
So we're pretty good for if we want to get a bus in the morning.
Yeah.
Very close.
Beautiful.
So that's where we are. Welcome home for the next 2 weeks.
Yay!
Another thing as well, which we were told in concierge, is that whether we pick up our luggage or not, and he said you can pick up your luggage or you can call Bell Services here with this luggage button, which I just did. He just took my room number, my name, and he said someone will come in a few minutes to bring the luggage directly to our room. Just stay here for a few minutes. I think it was easier for us because we have quite a lot of luggage, right? And it was and it's gaining more as we get more stuff from our holiday, isn't it?
Yeah. So it shows like the weather, the time. All right, so this is kind of like a Disney Alexa.
Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Hey Pua, I have a joke for you. How do you know if the ocean lets you? It waves! I should tell it to Dad.
That's really cool. Oh my. Oh, getting started. So let's see. Oh, you can tell you the time, give you good night, set an alarm. Oh, this is so cool. One more magical touch. And look how cute. I wish my Alexa was this cute.